welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm taking part in the useful DIY challenge hosted by Mom from Momdas Handmade and Jelena from Blondie Next. Be sure to check out their channels and the playlist in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's get started. Well, for this month's challenge, the theme was around cardboard. We had to use cardboard to do any decor projects that we wanted, and I wanted to give this window a makeover, and therefore I covered it with wrapping paper, as you can see, and then I used this cardboard as my base for this project. I first cut it down into pieces. Sorry, I didn't have the clip of that. And I used two of the strips covered in wrapping paper to make these shelves for this holder. I cut them to size and wrapped them up in the wrapping paper and just placed them on it. I haven't stuck them at all, just placed them, and it fits perfectly. And then I used S hooks to hang it onto the window. Next, the two side portions, I made them into two trays, and one tray I use in my bedside table, and the other one you can either use it as a tray or you can turn it upside down and use it as a shelf. This can also be a good table centerpiece. And then for the main part, I wanted to make them into frames. So I'm actually reusing the prints that were on my window, and be sure that you're subscribed and click the bell icon to be notified when that video goes up. I didn't want to waste these prints as I actually love the quotes. So I'm going to make 4 frames. This big one, I'm going to cut it into 2. And you can decorate the frames however you would like. I have gone the easy route of just taping the borders with this white tape. And not liking the effect much, I colored it up with this metallic blue color. For the second frame, the tape wasn't sufficient, so I wrapped it up with one of those printed papers and colored the border. I used this silver pen to add the sparkle to this print. For the big frame, I used this wrapping paper that you may have seen on my previous projects if you have been following me along. And for this frame, I use this blue tack to stick the coat onto it so that it will be changeable. But the other 2 frames, I actually used Fevicol to stick the coats. I really like this verse, Colossians 3:12-14, and likewise I use this blue tack to stick the frames onto the wall. I used this tray near my bedside table to hold some pens and my watch and a few knickknacks. really love this paper. Can you tell? Well, this is the final reveal. I really like how this window space turned out and the wall next to it. It's a simple way to upgrade an empty wall, and since it's blue tack, it does not leave any residue behind or peel off the paint, and you can change it up whenever you want. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Thank you, Mom and Jelena, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check out their channels and the playlist for all the other inspirations. Take care and God bless.